Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to our channel and welcome to another video. Where in today's one, we're talking again about GitHub, and I'll be showing you guys how can you add or create a milestone on your GitHub's profile. So let's jump right into it. First of all, make sure to open up the GitHub profile repository on your web browser. From the main menu right here at the top of the screen, you will head onto your issues and then navigate onto milestones. Now here to create a milestone, click on the green button right here, give it a title, due date, or description, and then click on create milestone, and it will be right here. So you have it as you have the complete tab right here, open and close as well. To edit it, you can click on this button. If you need to close it or delete it, you can also manage it from the milestone page right here. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, leave it a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.